And okay, so repeat the column exercise revenue building situation. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to write down all the things you're doing for your business, but you're going to, in one column, you're going to put everything that's revenue generation, meaning
Be right back,
any
Jim.
task, sure, brother, any task that's going to help generate revenue for the business, right? I would consider a webinar training as revenue generating because you're giving your people what they want. Now, I've got almost a whole day, a week worth of training webinars. Okay. So I'm, like 8-9 hours, right? So that to me, you're giving what people are paying for. So of course, if you're the teacher, you got to do that. You got to do that. Okay. So now you got to look at what else are you doing? Is it revenue generation or is it company management side? And you got to list everything down. One side, revenue generation, the other side, management. And then you start tagging, all the revenue generation stuff that you're doing. Is there something that you can delegate to a partner or outsource? You got to look at that. Okay. You might not be able to do Facebook marketing or YouTube marketing or group marketing or whatever, to bring in more leads. That might not be your thing, but it's revenue generating activity, right? And you got to have that going on. So you got to, put what is revenue generation and what is not, and then start putting the amount of time it's taking you per day. And first find out, where are you at? Are you at 40-60? Are you at 50-50? Are you at 80-20 the wrong way? Where are you at? And always, everything that you're doing in life, whether it's eating or it's business or it's spiritual development, whatever, column exercises are good. And in Rasaji.com, the free community, you can download the column exercise. You all know that. You're all paid members here. And just, use as many as you have to. I mean, do a column exercise for everything in your life. Everything.